Hi there, this is Gary. It's the 30th, it's Wednesday. Just want to show you what Andreas and I have accomplished so far. He's doing his other thing today with the movies, as he does every other day. But the two of us, when we do, we get a hell of a lot done. And as you can see, it is now completely apart. Just want to show you a little few of the little things. Very interesting, this whole thing. Next project, it's got to bring out the dents of the radiator and polish it as it's brass. Just want to show you some of the stuff. These are the items I've been glass beading. And you can see there's quite a bit done. And there's a lot more to go, but there's quite a bit done. These are the pistons. We have one that's kind of stuck, but we'll get that. We're working on that right now. It's right here. And just a little bit of work. And I've been using my magic elixir on rust, which is, again, I'll reiterate, it is 1/2 acetone and 1/2 General Motors transmission fluid, power steering fluid, whatever. It gives it a little color. Shake it. Keep shaking it, put it on the metal in the plug holes, whatever, and it loosens right up. These all came off. You can even see it's got, the rings are loosened. It's been parked for God knows how long. I just cut the 4 wheels and tires all to pieces. They were horrible. The tires, I mean, yeah, just to get rid of them. Here's the rear springs, the drums. There's the 4 wheels. I've got all them done. I've got the 4 rims done and just went today and bought inner tubes, flappers, and a couple other little things, little goodies here. You're looking at over $500, well over $500. It's unbelievable, isn't it? Now I'm going to take you out and show you something that I like to do. I love to glass bead. People come over and say, oh, can I glass bead? No, I like to glass bead. That's what I do because it's instant results. Now I'm going to show you these here, and then a little later on I'll show you what they look like when I'm done with them. Now these are almost 104 years old, and they really looked pretty awful, doesn't it? Well, let me show you a little later on. So anyhow, talk to you in a while.